So HCPs are going to have a much different content consumption journey than they would have even 6 months ago. They're really looking for more from pharmaceutical companies. They're looking more from publishers as well. Really the important thing is that they need to have the white noise eliminated from that marketing, from that messaging. They need to receive information that is on point, that's going to inform their time in the clinic, especially now, the limited face-to-face patient time, the huge backlog of cases that are going to be unloaded onto the healthcare system are going to require an absolute focused approach where people are delivering the right information to the right physicians at the correct point in time, that point of care.
So nowadays, pharmaceutical brands need to engage a diverse set of stakeholders. It's not just the prescribing physician, but other healthcare professionals, including nurses, pathologists, surgeons, and others in the care community. We also need to engage payers, policymakers, and scientific leaders and professional societies. And perhaps most importantly, we should never forget that the most important stakeholder is the patient and the consumer, and those that are most important to them, including caregivers and patient societies.
One of the newer ways that you see specifically in the pharmaceutical world companies delivering content is the emergence of social media and the presence of brands on those various platforms. When we think about the audiences that are on social media, it's not just patients. Our physicians are consumers too, and everybody prefers to consume news in a different way. And that's why it's become an area where it's not enough anymore to send out one platform and one message, but to hit across the various different platforms to ensure that you're reaching an audience in the various ways that they prefer to consume that content.
We have such a varied range of content in terms of empowering our customers. What my team takes great pride in is that they actually sit down and see themselves as an extension of any brand team that they work with. So they really like to understand our customers' strategy and really listen to their needs before they work with them to decide what content may best fit their needs as a solution for them.
So for new indications and new scientific information, our customers are looking to interact with experts in their own country or even international experts. And so we're looking for opportunities to share insights and perspectives from those trusted scientific leaders through e-publications and e-symposia, and even looking to interact with customers through virtual congresses or even after virtual congresses.
There are a lot of emerging tools that are available to and are being leveraged by pharmaceutical companies and brands in reaching target audiences, especially coming out of COVID-19 and the experience that the whole world went through together and learned from together. It's become clear and created a need for creating and having abilities to reach physicians in ways that we hadn't in the past. So one of the more traditional ways of reaching healthcare professionals is through personal promotion. And in the experience that we went through with COVID-19 and the inability to reach physicians personally, we had to find ways to create a digital environment and set our teams up for success in creating an equally effective and efficient message to an audience in a way that they haven't had to in the past.
Our company is really leveraging social media to be able to deliver content, as well as disseminating information through live webinars and on-demand webinars. In addition, our sales teams are utilizing virtual office calls when they are unable, due to travel restrictions during the pandemic, to meet face-to-face with a clinician or a laboratorian. They can book a virtual office call, utilize resources, whether that be slides, white papers, and disseminate information in a quick 10 to 15 minute virtual office call. And as a provider, I have found that even very valuable from a time-saving perspective on my end, And our company has certainly found that valuable to still be able to disseminate information and engage with our customers.